How to change shipping address in apps. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to change your shipping address in apps. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the apps website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my dashboard, then you can just click your profile right here in the top right corner and click my profile, and after you click that, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all of these options. And right there, as you can see, we have addresses and contacts. And under that, you can see that you can update your address. So just click update my address. And after you click that, you will be redirected to this page where you can see a list, a table of the shipping address that you created so far. So me, I don't have any shipping address yet, but you can see all of your previously created address right here, and you can edit them if you want. So me, I'm just going to add first my shipping address. So I'm just going to input my personal details and also my address, and of course my UPS account number. And after that, I can just click save. And after I click save, as you can see, my shipping address will be saved right here on the table. And if I want to edit it, I can just always edit it right here under the actions column. There will be an edit button right there. And after I click that, I will be redirected back to the editing page again. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can edit or change your shipping address in apps. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.